Hello and welcome to Freedom Mutondo TV. Today we are going to practice slow English listening. Please relax. Listen carefully. Repeat after me if you can. Let's begin. Good morning. How are you today? I hope you are doing well. Today is a beautiful day. The sun is shining. The air is fresh. I wake up early every morning. I brush my teeth. I wash my face. Then I take a shower. I wear clean clothes. I eat breakfast. I drink a cup of tea. Sometimes I drink coffee. After breakfast, I study English. I enjoy learning English. English is useful. English helps me communicate with people. English helps me communicate with people. I practice every day. Practice makes progress. Practice makes progress. I never give up. I believe in myself. Every day I become better. At home. My house is small, but it is comfortable. I live with my family. My family is very important to me. We eat together. We talk together. We laugh together. My mother likes cooking. My father works hard. My children love to play. I help my family every day. A happy home is a peaceful home. A happy home is a peaceful home. I love my family very much. I love my family very much. I go to school every day. I like learning new things. My teacher is kind. My classmates are friendly. We study English together. We read books. We write sentences. We answer questions. Learning is fun. Knowledge changes lives. I study because I want a better future. I study because I want a better future. At work. Today I am going to work. I wake up early. I get dressed. I eat breakfast. Then I leave my house. I walk to the bus stop. Sometimes I drive to work. Sometimes I take a bus. I arrive at work on time. I greet my coworkers. I say, "Good morning." They smile. They say, "Good morning." I start my work. I like my job. I work carefully. I work hard every day. I enjoy learning new things. My manager is kind. My coworkers are friendly. We help each other. We solve problems together. We have meetings. We answer emails. We talk to customers. Good communication is important. I always try my best. I respect everyone. I listen carefully. I speak politely. I finish my work on time. At lunch, I eat with my coworkers. At lunch, I eat with my coworkers. We talk, we laugh, we enjoy our meal. After lunch, I continue working. The afternoon is busy. I stay focused. I never give up. At the end of the day, I clean my desk. I say goodbye. I go home. I feel happy because I did my best today. At the market. Today I am going to the market. The market is busy. The market is busy. Many people are shopping. I take a shopping bag. I walk slowly. I look at the fresh vegetables. I look at the fresh vegetables. The tomatoes are red. The tomatoes are red. The carrots are orange. The carrots are orange. The cucumbers are green. The cucumbers are green. The onions are fresh. The onions are fresh. I buy potatoes. I buy potatoes. I buy potatoes. I buy rice. I buy rice. I buy bread. I buy milk. I buy eggs. I also buy apples. The apples look delicious. I buy banana. I buy orange. The fruit smells fresh. I visit the meat shop. I buy some chicken. Then I visit the bakery. The bread is warm. It smells wonderful. I pay for my food. The cashier smiles. The cashier smiles. I say, "Thank you." The cashier says, "Have a nice day." I smile. I leave the market. I carry my shopping bags home. I put the food in the kitchen. I put the food in the kitchen. Everything is fresh. I am happy. Shopping is important. Fresh food is good for our health. Fresh food is good for our health. I enjoy going to the market. I like healthy food. Healthy food gives me energy. I drink plenty of water. I eat fruits every day. I eat vegetables every day. I eat vegetables every day. I try to live a healthy life. Thank you for listening. Keep practicing English every day. Little by little, little by little, your English will become better. Your English will become better. See you in the next lesson. Goodbye. Don't forget to subscribe, to like, and share this video with your brothers and sisters and your friends to support our channel.